What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Patrick Unplugged. Today's topic of the day is the Apple AirTag.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. So the Apple AirTag, a lot of people know about the AirTag, the Tile, the Samsung tag, but this is the one that's exclusively by the Apple company, and this is compatible with the Apple iPhone. Good thing about this thing is it tracks things. So if you need to track a person, you need to track a package, you need to track your luggage, you just hook this up with your iPhone, pop it on whatever you need to do. In my case, I'm gonna put this on my pet, and I'll show you an accessory in a minute, but it uses not Bluetooth, it uses other iPhones in the area to ping to get an exact location of that pet or package or luggage, etc., etc. So without further ado, let's see what's inside the box. So I already opened it, but let's see what you're getting here. So that's it. You get a bunch of books, a lot of books actually. And inside, you're getting the Apple iTag, or the Apple AirTag, I should say. And then it's showing you what you need to do as far as update, turn on Bluetooth, how to actually connect it. So it says update to the latest iOS or iPad OS, turn on Bluetooth, then pull the tab. And I guess that'll start here. You'll hold your device, follow on-screen instructions. And that's pretty much it. You don't even get any Apple stickers, but let's take this little plastic piece off. Now we won't pull the tag yet because we're gonna set that up later in a different video maybe, but this is what the AirTag looks like. Got the Apple logo right there and just plain white on that side. But I did want to show you really quickly. This is the accessory that I purchased. So this is a dog tag for your AirTag. And this one's made by Casemate. I only spent like $8 for this. So that's how it goes. And I have one here that's actually open. So let's see how this actually fits in. See if we could do this on the first try. Oh, yeah, that's pretty easy. So there's the AirTag. These slots here are gonna go in the collar, and then it's gonna rest like this on your dog's neck. So that's what I'm gonna use this for, just in case any emergency. I know exactly where my pet is at all times. Shout out to everybody rocking with Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you in the next one.